Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to link your bank accounts to your Coinbase account using Plaid, a third-party data service provider. So let's get started. All right, so I've had a few people contact me regarding relinking their bank accounts using Coinbase. I believe Coinbase is now using Plaid as their third-party service provider. So if for some reason your Coinbase account has become unlinked from your bank accounts or vice versa, your bank accounts have become unlinked, I'm going to show you how to get it reconnected and just assure you that this is a safer and more secure way of doing it than they did before. So if we go to buy, sell, and I want to buy a little Bitcoin, I've done this many times and my bank accounts have been attached. Now this one I reattached last night. But if you look, if when I choose bank account, that these two bank accounts are unlinked and they need to be relinked. Now, when we go through this process of relinking, it's going to pull up the Plaid interface. Now, Plaid is a third-party service provider that allows an interface between your bank and Coinbase. And this is basically a more secure way of connecting your bank account to Coinbase. So we'll go ahead and hit continue here. And it's going to give you a rundown of what's going on. They're basically going to pull up the Chase interface and ask me to log into my Chase account. I don't believe that Plaid gets any of this login information. They are simply a mediary. So we'll hit continue. And notice here that the Chase window comes up. It wants me to sign in to my Chase account. So I'll go ahead and do that using my online credentials. We'll hit sign in. And notice the window here is a Chase window, right? I'm not giving this information to Plaid or Coinbase. I'm giving it directly to Chase, my bank, right? And they explain what's going on here. There's a third-party data access provider that is providing information to Coinbase so that they can link to my bank account. Now, Plaid is collecting some data here, but note down here that they say they won't have access to your username, password, and full account numbers. So this is a safer and secure way of doing it. The way they did it before was you simply typed in your bank account in Swift code, which was vulnerable for all kinds of reasons, right? So this is a much better way of doing it. Let's hit next. Now, Coinbase is not getting my bank account information anymore. They're getting what's called substitute bank account numbers. So we'll hit next. All right, now I can select the accounts that I want connected to my Coinbase account. I'm only going to use my bank account, right? You might want to use one of your credit cards or debit cards, but I'm not going to do that. I'll hit next. And then we'll just go ahead and review and choose connect accounts. And there we go, I've linked my account. Now, every bank is going to be a little different, but the assumption here is that Plaid is going to launch your online login credentials when it connects your account to Coinbase. Now, if you're starting a Coinbase account for the first time and you want to link your bank account, you're probably not going to be able to do it unless you already have an online online access to your bank account, right? I don't believe the old way will work anymore. You won't be able to just put in your account number and Swift code the way you did before. So this is a better way, more secure. And so if you're starting Coinbase for the first time, you'll probably want to join the online revolution, right? So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.